Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to unbox something that might be too old for you guys, but it's actually very new to me. Without any further ado, let's get this thing open. The box is really nice. You can feel the AirPods. It's not a picture, you can feel it. It's really nice. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's different about the engraved AirPods. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see if we have some nice sticker this time. AirPods, some menus. I guess this is gonna be pretty useful from my previous experience. But same thing, there's no stickers. Okay, there's no Apple stickers. Let's put this guy aside. Maybe we need them. Okay. As you guys can see, it is engraved by my wife. She did it the best husband with a little heart in there. So sweet. And let's get this little guy out. Let's take a look at what's under the box. Just the charging cable. Okay, so nothing really fancy. It's just a really simple USB charging cable. And now let's get this guy out. Best husband, there we go. And let's see if it can be connected to my iPhone directly out of the box. Let me grab my phone. Okay, so my phone is here. Let me open this guy. Oh, it's the same procedure as the AirPods Pro. It connects by itself. So let's set it up. So connect. And we can still see the battery life, both for the case and also for the AirPods. So done, and that's it. That's connected. And now we can enjoy the music from those AirPods. Best husband. But this time I won't have Bob to test it because this AirPods is for me. For me. It's not for Bob. Okay, so let me get them out. So one. Oh, but this thing is pretty long. Let's put here. Let's put another one, and that's the case. Close it, put it here. And let me grab my AirPods Pro and make a comparison. And that's the AirPods Pro. That's the case, and that's the case from the AirPods. I mean, it's slightly bigger if you go the vertical way. Let's see how big difference is the AirPods. Let's get this out. So that's the left, and that's the right. So that's the AirPods 1, and that's the AirPods Pro. You can tell the difference right away, right? This one is much smaller than the AirPods. But for you to listen music, I don't really care like how big the size is. But the AirPods Pro definitely has some better feature than just the AirPods. This one has the noise cancellation and then all those commands that you can do, like fast forward and backward and also a pause just by tap on the AirPods Pro. For the AirPods, it's just very simple features, and that's all you need. And it's already cool enough because it doesn't have the wired, so you don't have to worry about getting wrapped by the wired all the time, right? But I'm good with it, you know. My purpose is just to listen to music. That's gonna be good enough for me. And also I'm okay with the charger, which is wired. It doesn't matter to me if it's wired charge or it's wireless charge. And also for the sound quality for both AirPods Pro and AirPods, I say they're pretty similar if I don't turn on the noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro. The only time I can feel the difference is when I turn on the noise cancellation, and then that's the moment I can feel the huge difference of some dollars difference. And for the comfort, I personally more like the AirPods. I feel like these are more comfortable than this. This is the smallest cap that I install on the AirPods Pro. But when I listen to the music for like maybe 1 or 2 hours straight, my ears kind of hurt. But this one, when I put on, it doesn't feel that way. It feels very comfortable. It will feel smooth. So if you're thinking about to get AirPods or AirPods Pro, it really depends on you. It really depends on what you're looking for, how much you're willing to spend. If you just want to, you know, have it for work and just listen to the music like I do, this one is good enough. But if you want some premium enjoyment, like noise cancellation, and this one is very well recommended because once you have the noise cancellation on, you can't hear anything outside. And to connect this AirPods to any other device is really simple too. It'll be the same thing in my previous video. You just press this button behind the case and wait till the light is flashing white and it's ready to go. For any Bluetooth device, we can use this. And guys, thank you for tuning in and thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.